The Midnight Visitor. It was a quiet evening in the town of Brookside. The streets were empty and a soft wind blew through the trees. Clara was sitting in her room reading a book when she heard a strange sound outside her window. Tap, tap, tap. She put down her book and went to the window. A shadow moved in the garden. Clara felt a shiver run down her spine. "Who's there?" she called softly. No answer. Curious and a little brave, Clara opened the door and stepped outside. The garden was empty, but near the old oak tree she saw a small glowing box. It looked like it had appeared from nowhere. Clara picked up the box. It was warm and humming softly. On the lid, words appeared in golden letters. "Open me if you dare." Her heart raced. She looked around. No one was there. Taking a deep breath, she lifted the lid. Inside, she found a tiny folded map and a key. The map showed a path she had never seen before, winding deep into the forest behind her house. Clara froze. A cold breeze blew across her neck, carrying a whisper she could barely hear. "You shouldn't have found it." She dropped the box, but when she looked back, the map and key were gone. The garden was empty. The oak tree loomed silently, its branches swaying, almost like it was watching her. Clara stepped back into the house, heart pounding. The wind howled outside, and somewhere in the darkness a faint tapping began again. Closer this time.